Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 6 Hartley Street in Wandal. This Wolf Construction home, newly completed, is a perfect property for those looking for versatility, practicality and a home with complete style. Let's take a quick tour. I love the open plan feel of this home. It's got a bay window for reading, but this kitchen is certainly the centerpiece with stone bench tops and pendant lightings and a huge walk-in pantry. I really love it when a home offers versatility, and this breezeway separates the main living space from this self-contained studio at the back. We should take a quick look at that. How amazing is this light-filled studio with lots of storage and a kitchenette? And take a look at this bathroom. It's got a large double vanity and a huge luxury walk-in shower. Well, there you have it. 6 Hartley Street's got the lot. Rear lane access, new build by Wolf Constructions, dual living opportunities, and a great lifestyle to boot. If you'd like to know more, if we can help you own this wonderful property, give the team at McGrath a call. We would love to help you out.